Hello everyone and welcome to our first tutorial to how to make vector art effect without using pen tool in Photoshop. First step, preparing your image. Preparing your image. Let's get started. First of all, after opening your image, go to image. Then image size to check both image size and resolution. Your image resolution should be changed to 300 pixels per inch, and also your image size should be in range between 2000 to 4000 pixels in width or height. Now with remain layer selected, press Ctrl+J to duplicate at once. Hide the background layer and keep layer 1 visible. Now I want to cut the girl from the background. Best choice here is to use the quick selection tool. With your layer selected, start selecting your object like this. Enhance your selection as much as you can. With layer 1 selected, go and click on the mask icon to isolate what you have selected. Now select the background layer, then go and make a color filter. Change color to white, then click OK. Select both layers, then right-click and choose Merge Layers. Select layer 1, then press Ctrl+J to duplicate it once with the duplicated layer selected. Go to Filter Sharpen, then choose Smart Sharpen. Now change amount of 240%, change radius to 3 pixels and also reduce noise to 0%. Change remove option to Gaussian blur, then click OK. Now with your layer selected, go to Filter Stylize and choose Diffuse. Change mode to anisotropic, then click OK. Now click on Image menu. Then Image Rotation and choose 90° clockwise. Apply to Fuse Filter again by clicking Alt-Ctrl-F, rotate another 90°. Apply the filter again, rotate again, and so on until you make a complete rotation. Completing a 1 rotation. Let's sharpen our image again. With your layer selected, go to Filter. Then Sharpen and click on Smart Sharpen. Filter leap values as they are. Then click OK. Again go to Filter, Stylize and click on Diffuse Filter. Do not change anything. Click OK. Now again let's make another rotation. Now let's see the before and after. Delete the layer 1. We don't need it anymore. And let's move to the last step. Now right-click or layer. Then choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate it twice. Rename the 3 layers as you like. Select the bottom layer. Then hide the other 2 layers. Now with this layer selected, go to Filters and click on Filter Gallery. Under Artistic folder, choose the Cutout filter. Change number of levels to 8. Change Edge Simplicity to 5. And change Edge Fidelity to 1. Then click OK. With your layer selected, go to Filters, then Sharpen. And choose On Sharp Mask. Change amount to 150%. Change radius to 2 pixels. And threshold to 0. Then click OK. Move to the second layer. Make it visible, then go to Filters and click on Filter Gallery. With the cutout filter selected, just keep values as they are. And change Edge Simplicity to 6. Then click OK. Now double-click this little icon. To change the filter opacity, change opacity to 35%. Then click OK. Again with your layer selected, go to Filter Gallery. With the cutout filter selected, change values to 8, 6 and 2, then click OK. Again double-click here and change opacity to 35%. Click OK. With your layer selected, go to Filter Sharpen, then choose On Sharp Mask Filter. Change amount of 200%. And make both radius and threshold 2 and 0, then click OK. Now change this layer opacity to 75. Let's add some other details. Select the last layer and make it visible. Then go to Filter and choose High Pass Filter. Change radius to 2, then click OK. Change blend mode to overlay. This will add some extra sharpening and details to our final effect. Now select all 3 layers. Then drag and drop to group. Let's add some adjustment layers. First add levels layer. Drag these both sliders a little bit. Now add vibrance layer, increase both vibrance and saturation. Now add color balance layer. Adjust midtones, adjust shadows, and finally adjust highlights. Now select all three layers. Then drag and drop to group them. Let's see the final result. That's great. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more free tutorials. And please leave your comment below if you need any help. Thanks for watching.